Morning guys, so I'm finding Lila's not wanting to eat her veggies unless I make like a cottage pie where I chop all the veggies up, or a soup or something like that. So I'm going to make a smoothie for breakfast this morning. I have got some frozen organic spinach, I've got some chopped up zucchini in there, which gives a really nice buttery flavour. Lila, give me one moment, darling. I've got some collagen in there, some greens powder, which is just like a spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass and chlorella. Some hemp seeds, frozen mango cheek, what else have I got in there? And a banana. I'm then going to be adding in Green Street Kitchen's coconut kefir. This is loaded full of your good fats. It's a live probiotic, so it's good for our gut health as well. So we're getting our gut health in here, we're getting our good fats in there, we're building up our microbiome, which is obviously good for our immune system and our health. So I've just emptied that in there. I'm going to blitz this up and we'll have that for brekkie. Okay, so I've blitzed it up and you can see it's a really creamy consistency. The coconut kefir allows it to emulsify, so all those greens really blitz in really well with all those good fats that are in the coconut kefir. And so you get this beautiful creamy consistency. So this is loaded with, we've got collagen in here as well, so it's got your protein, your good fats, or your green leafies in there as well. Now the blender that I use is called a Frufi. This is a really high powered blender, so this works really well for getting a really creamy smoothie.